Peace be upon you. In this video, we will provide a logical answer to the question, can life be designed by chance or without a designer? The life on the earth is made possible by many measures. For example, the distance between the earth and the sun is perfect to permit life. Major changes in the distance between them would affect the average temperature on earth and life would not be possible. Furthermore, if the distance between the sun and the earth was increased threefold, the force of gravity, the attraction of the sun would be 1/9 of what it is today. As Jupiter is much closer to the earth, it would pull the earth with a force stronger than that of the sun. Thus, the earth would be irreversibly ejected from the solar system. Likewise, the distance between the earth and the moon is perfect for humans to live on earth. If the distance between the earth and the moon was decreased by half, tides would be much higher and tidal forces from the moon would be 8 times stronger. If the moon was, for example, 20 times closer, it would exert a gravitational force 400 times greater than what we are used to, and a huge tidal bulge would be created, hitting the land and causing great flooding, which would make life on Earth impossible. These relative distances between the Earth, the Sun and the Moon are perfectly designed for life. A proof of the Earth's perfect design can be seen in the perfect composition of air and the quantity of oxygen it contains. Air consists of 20.95% oxygen. If this percentage was higher, fires would spread faster. Fire in one tree would be enough to burn an entire forest. Giant insects would be alive and we would die younger because of oxidative stress. In contrast, if the percentage of oxygen was lower, we would suffer from poor muscular coordination, rapid fatigue and irregular respiration. Water is another substance designed perfectly for life. It is in fact the secret of life. Without water there would be no life on Earth. Everything alive is created from water. This is not only a scientific fact, but it is also mentioned in the Holy Quran. Chapter 21, verse 30, we have made of water everything living, will they not then believe? The density of water is perfectly designed as it is in its solid state, less than in its liquid state. In other words, ice is less dense than water. Therefore, water is a unique liquid because, contrary to other liquids, it becomes less dense when it freezes. As a result, ice floats to the top instead of sinking to the bottom. This phenomenon makes water very valuable for life on Earth. As ice forms on the surface of rivers and seas, it protects the water underneath from consolidation and keeps the water temperature below freezing so that water creatures could survive. A computer program is made up of ones and zeros. It is a binary code that uses the binary digits 0 and 1 to represent numbers, digits or any other characters defined in an electronic device. This binary code, which also provides the device with processor instructions, is programmed by an IT engineer and it is not possible to assume that it was found by chance or by itself. Similarly, the information of DNA is stored as a specific code, which is made up of 4 chemical bases, namely A, adenine, T, thymine, G, guanine, and C, cytosine, which are arranged in a certain order in the human cell. A genome, which is an organism containing genetic instructions, consists of 3.2 billion bases of DNA. These 3.2 billion DNA bases are repeated in specific sequences. Every person has a unique genome, unique DNA sequences, except for twins. Who or what could place this enormous number of letter combinations in their correct sequence for each person? Who or what could arrange the sequences of DNA in every different genome for each organism including bacteria, plant or animal? Therefore, there has to be a designer with an infinite intelligence, beyond human imagination, and superior power above all his creatures. Thank you for watching the video.